Good afternoon everyone. In today's video I will discuss web team in web technology. So till now I have discussed website, web page, web development process and also how to create web pages. Then today I will discuss web team. As we know, web team is a collection of people. Here is the definitions in small. Web team is a group of various technical experts in developing a site or website. So web teams begin with webmasters, people who did everything from coding the page to maintaining the web server. Web development efforts were often grassroots efforts with companies with a non-dedicated staff comprised of anyone who could code HTML. So web team is collection of people. Okay, just learn the definition only. Then come here. A web team might be core or extended. Okay, core means main. Core means a member who is expert in his work. Core means main member or expert person. However, special member of team might be core. Extended members are people whose skills might not always be necessary or who might have cross-functional roles. Means web team two types हो सकती है, core और extended people can be there. Core means main person, extended means who are cross-functional, who are not perfect in particular one area. An example of this might be network engineer who is also a security expert. Yes, so he is not mastering one thing. So today I will discuss what is web team. Simply, web team is a collection of people who are developing a website, or we can say web team is a group of various technical experts in developing a site. So web team can be consist of two kind of members. Okay, it can be core or extended. Core means main persons who are developing particular website. Extended means who are not core or main members but who are supporting, who are the parts, who are also the part of other things also. Those are extended. So here we can see following members in a web team: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. S, T means 20. 20 people are there in a web team. First of all, project manager. As its name suggests, प्रोजेक्ट का मैनेजर मीन्स पूरे प्रोजेक्ट को मैनेज करते हैं. So he or she is core member. The project manager or producer is responsible for scooping the work. मीन्स पूरे वर्क को देखता है. डेवलपिंग द प्रोजेक्ट प्लान्स, scheduling, allocating resources, budgeting and managing the team. In the absence of account manager, the project manager or producer handles the client management. So he or she is core. C is written here in bracket, core. Account manager. So he or she is XE, extended member. Part of extended team, the account manager is generally present in agencies or companies who follow agency model. Generally, this means that company is responsible for client's online business plan. The account manager generally interacts with the client, the project manager and creative lead. So this person is responsible for client's online business plan, account manager. Technical lead, as its name suggests, technical work करते हैं. Technical lead, he or she is a core member. A technical lead oversees the project from a technical point of view. The technical lead assists the project manager in ensuring that the technical strategy is sound, manages the programs and chooses specialized team members such as security expert, database programmers and other system integrators. Next, programmer. Programmer means the person who is doing programming. Technical lead is above programmer. Programmer work करता है, technical lead उसको lead करता है, handle करता है. Programmer is extended team member. A programmer develop applications for web project. These applications could be simple server side, but programming भी different type हो सकती है. So he or she is not a core member. He or she is an extended member. Could be simple server side script to data applications. Data applications कर सकते हैं to Java applets. Next, network engineer. He or she is also extended member. A network engineer is responsible for setting up and configuring a web server. वेब सर्वर के लिए कॉन्फ़िगरेशन के लिए होता है नेटवर्क engineer. A network engineer, often a network engineer is also a database DBA, database administrator, a security expert. So extended member means not working for a particular task. Similarly, programmer can be simple server side script or DBA. Security expert, S is hidden over here. A security expert is someone who provides security strategy. This person knows and implements site using various type of encryption. मीन्स सिक्योरिटी के लिए person है and can discuss the pros and cons of each with your team and your client. Web production specialist, he or she is a core member. Web production specialist means particular master है, specialist है, they are he or she is specialized. A web production specialist is the person who integrates the sites using HTML or JavaScript and is generally the hub of the site. Yes means integration, फाइल्स को जोड़ते हैं, वेबसाइट्स को जोड़ते हैं HTML और JavaScript के थ्रू, हब बनाते हैं. डेट इज़ वेब प्रोडक्शन स्पेशलिस्ट, कोर पर्सन. क्रिएटिव लेड, द क्रिएटिव लेड इज ऑल्सो कोर पर्सन. क्रिएटिव लेड डिटरमाइंस द क्रिएटिव concepts for the site and is responsible for site design. He or she act as a director for the site. Creative lead. Next, designer is also core. डिज़ाइन करते हैं वेबसाइट. Designers create the look and feel of the site. The main tool of choice for this work is Adobe Photoshop में usually designers design their website or web project. So designers are also core persons. Information architects, these are E means extended members. An information architect understands how to display information visually to users, understand how to interact with site and find the information they need. Information collect करना. Copywriter, he or she is also E extended member. It would be great to have a dedicated copyright on a project. Copyright means nobody can copy our project. It is very legal permission. If you have copyright or patent of your website, then nobody can copy it. Pirated copy can't be created with the help of copyright. But often copywriting is luxury. Luxury means it's costly, very costly. So copywriter is extended member. Production artist, core member. A production artist transforms the artwork that the designer creates into web-ready art. The production artist obtains Photoshop files from the designers and cuts up the files into individual graphics and then optimizing the graphics into web file formats. Production artist means he or she is an artist. आर्ट का वर्क करते हैं, डिज़ाइनर से जो वर्क आता है फ्रॉम फोटोशॉप उसको क्रिएट करते हैं इनटू वेब रेडी आर्ट में कन्वर्ट करते हैं. फोटोशॉप फाइल्स को ऑब्टेन करते हैं, डिज़ाइन करते हैं, डिज़ाइनर से फोटोशॉप फाइल्स को ऑब्टेन करते हैं एंड कट करते हैं, ग्राफिक्स बनाते हैं, उसको फाइनली वेब फॉर्मेट में कन्वर्ट करते हैं. सो ही और शी इज़ ऑल्सो कोर मेंबर. एज डिज़ाइनर इज़ कोर पर्सन, सिमिलरली प्रोडक्शन आर्टिस्ट इज़ ऑल्सो कोर मेंबर. क्वालिटी एश्योरेंस लीड, he or she is also a core member. Quality assurance, they try to assure that quality is maintained in websites or web projects. It means a quality assurance team should be a core person. A quality assurance lead should be a core person on your team. This makes sure that product you deliver meets the criteria specified in the scope, document and functional specification. Means quality must be there. Means the criteria specified customer, it should be there. Tester, extended person. A tester tests the web project. We know tester tests the web project based on test plan that QA lead writes. QA के according जैसा चाहिए tester does the same. So he or she is an extended person. Testing भी different kinds की होती है, so he or she can't be core member. Audio engineer, S. I suppose S will be for special members. Nothing has given or written about S, so it will be for special member, I suppose. Audio engineer, an audio engineer designs sound for the website. Sometimes you may need sound, so for that audio engineer is there. Then video engineer creates video images and delivers them in digital format. Video engineer creates video images and delivers them in digital format to create lead or web production specialist. He or she is also a special person. Audio means special work, video is also special work, so sometimes you may don't need. 3D modeler, he or she also special person. A 3D modeler creates artwork that is in 3D में artwork करते हैं, so it is also special kind of work. Webcast specialist, it is also special work. He or she is also a special member. A webcast specialist is usually a third party vendor who specializes in web. मीन्स वेब का काम करते हैं, स्पेशलिस्ट होते हैं इन देयर टास्क, थर्ड पार्टी की तरह होते हैं, थर्ड पार्टी वेंडर का काम करते हैं जो वेब में स्पेशलाइज होते हैं, वेब का स्पेशलिस्ट. सो ही और शी इज़ ऑल्सो स्पेशल पर्सन. दीज आर स्पेशल. एस मीन्स स्पेशल पर्सन सर. यू डोंट रिक्वायर देम एवरी टाइम. मीडिया बायर, अ मीडिया बायर इज़ यूजुअली पार्ट ऑफ द क्लाइंट्स एडवर्टाइजिंग एजेंसी. मीडिया बायर क्लाइंट की एडवर्टाइजिंग एजेंसी का पार्ट हो सकते हैं मीडिया बायर. डेट्स ऑल्सो स्पेशल पर्सन. लास्ट, स्ट्रेटेजिक प्लानिंग. स्ट्रेटेजी मीन्स लॉन्ग टर्म प्लानिंग. He or she is also a special member. Strategic planner is the person who delivers the consumer insight to the team. जो कंज्यूमर को स्ट्रेटजीज बताते हैं, प्लानिंग बताते हैं. कंज्यूमर इंसाइट टू द टीम मीन्स कंज्यूमर क्या कह रहे हैं, कंज्यूमर का पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू टीम को बताता है कि विच काइंड ऑफ वेबसाइट कस्टमर नीड्स. डेट्स टोल्ड बाय स्ट्रेटेजिक प्लानर. ही और शी इज ऑल्सो a special member. So these 20 are the part of web team. You can skip some, okay? But main people here are project manager, then designer, programmer or coder, tester, security expert, database administrator. Okay, these are very important persons. Technical lead, उनके ऊपर जो lead हैं, network engineer, security expert is also important. So just learn some. So it is web team with web members. Okay, thank you for listening. It is an important topic. Learn it. Next I will discuss in another video.